ever wished that you could work remotely like everyone else is doing nowadays? While installing flooring is a really hands-on job, monitoring the concrete condition prior to doesn't have to be. In this video, you're going to learn all about the true remote monitoring system. We'll show you the tools you need to monitor your concrete remotely so that you can take that vacation you desperately need and so deserve. But first, let's start with a quick intro into the tools that make this remote work possible. There are three main components: the RapidRHL6 in situ moisture testing system, the DataGrabber with Bluetooth, and Floorcloud sensors. Together, these tools make it possible to monitor job site conditions from anywhere in the world. Let's take a closer look at each one, starting with the RapidRHL6, which is the foundation for this terrific trio. The RapidRHL6 system is an in situ probe that measures relative humidity levels in a concrete slab. By placing in situ RH sensors at specific depths in the slab, you can assess the slab's overall moisture condition. These probes are small but mighty. They follow ASTM standards, and they are truly the powerhouse behind all concrete slab moisture assessments. Next, let's talk about the DataGrabber with Bluetooth. The DataGrabber is the essential partner to the RapidRHL6 system. It works together with the L6 Smart Sensor to collect and store concrete RH and temperature readings. It's a critical part of the system because it allows you to capture and store data in real time so you can monitor the job site conditions remotely. Along with the DataGrabber is the RapidRH DGRE, or DataGrabber Range Extender, which will make the data accessible to the last member of this trio, the Floorcloud sensor. The Floorcloud sensors take the data that is captured through the RH sensors and DataGrabber and transmit this data to a cloud database via a cellular network. It transmits ambient temperature, humidity, and dew point, which allows you to monitor job site conditions, along with concrete RH and temperature every hour of every day. Truly 24/7, 365. These three devices come together to form the true remote monitoring system. While each of these devices is awesome by themselves, and many people start out just by using the RapidRHL6 sensors, putting these devices together makes them all shine even brighter, and it makes your life exponentially more effortless. Let's consider some of the fantastic benefits you can reap by using the true remote monitoring system. First, you can make fewer trips to the job site. You won't have to travel there to confirm ambient or concrete conditions before flooring installation. This saves you time, and it helps to give your client a more reliable estimate. Second, you'll waste less time scheduling and mobilizing labor, products, and equipment for job sites that aren't ready yet. Protect your time and the time of your workforce. Third, you'll be able to monitor job site conditions during product acclimation and installation. This will ensure that they are within product specifications and will set you up for a successful installation in the future. And fourth, information is king. So with the true remote monitoring system, you'll be able to seamlessly create concise documentation to be shared with various parties and stored securely in the cloud. With these benefits, who wouldn't want to take advantage of this system? More time away from the job site can actually make for a job very well done, and you're protecting your time and sanity all along the way. I bet you're wondering then, how exactly to make this a reality? Don't worry, I've got you covered with 5 simple steps you can follow. Number 1, install the RapidRH concrete sensors into the concrete. Number 2, install a RapidRH DataGrabber with Bluetooth into the sensor. Number 3, don't forget to add the RapidRH DGRE and protective dome to cover it. Number 4, scan the QR code on the Floorcloud sensor and locate it central to the RapidRHL6 sensors. Last but not least, number 5, download the Floorcloud app and enter your job site information. It's simple as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once these steps are complete, you can experience the freedom of true remote work. This easy-to-use system, once installed, simply requires you to use your app to review your job site conditions. So join the digital nomads in Bali for a bit, or head to the coast for some much-needed R&R. With the true remote monitoring system, so much is possible. At the end of the day, everybody wins out your workforce wastes less time, your clients can better know what to expect, and the work gets done well and efficiently. You save time and money, and you use that time for the things that matter most to you. Learn more about the True Remote Monitoring System by checking out the link in the description below. Your time, your team, your client, and your loved ones are well worth it. Thanks so much for learning more about the True Remote Monitoring System with me today. If you're interested on keeping up with the latest technology in moisture management, both for wood and concrete, consider subscribing. And with that, I'm Jason Spangler. See you in the next video.